Hello, and welcome to the Excel High School informational video for our Honors and our Honors and AP Diploma programs. In this video, we're going to be talking about a lot of the common questions that we get related to both our Honors program and our Honors with AP programs. And we're going to have a couple different slides here going over the various questions that you see on your screen. So let's go ahead and start with just some of the most common questions that we get. And these are questions like, who qualifies to enroll? And is there a certain deadline that I need to enroll by? As well as, is this accredited? And am I able to transfer credits into Excel High School and out of Excel High School? And what's the price of each program? And as well as, am I able to work on classes at any time, or do I need to be logged in at a certain time? So let's talk about these questions. And we do want to note that there are two distinctly different programs here. They're similar, but with slight differences. So there is the Honors program, consisting of all Honors classes, and then there is our Honors with AP program, which is kind of a mixture of Honors classes and AP classes. So you'll notice that some answers apply to both of them, and some answers are slightly different for each program, and we'll make sure to mention that. So who qualifies to enroll for these programs? Anyone ages 14 to 18, located anywhere, is welcome to enroll in each program. As long as you have reliable access to internet and a laptop, you're going to be able to enroll in these classes. There isn't any sort of specific entrance exam needed to be taken by the students, so you'll want to use your own discretion of your own academic history to determine if the Honors or Honors and AP programs are a good fit for you. And additionally, is there a certain date that I need to enroll by? The Honors program and the AP program both have open enrollment, so you can enroll at any time throughout the school year. However, for the AP program, we do want to note that the AP exams take place in May. So the best months to enroll in the AP program are probably July, August, and September, as you would expect from a regular school year. And that timing will set up students to have plenty of time to finish their classes to be able to take the AP exams that are offered in early May. And is this accredited? The short answer is yes. The longer answer is that Excel High School does have a regional accreditation, which is that highest level of accreditation. That would be the same level of accreditation that your local public high school would have. A regional accreditation is going to ensure that our diploma works at a university, at colleges, for the military, or in the workforce, just as you would expect your diploma to do from your local high school. And you don't need to take our word for it. Feel free to do your own research about our accreditation on this page here on our site. The next question we'll cover is, am I able to transfer credits? Yes. Any credits you've previously earned from an accredited high school, you can certainly transfer over to us and pick up where you left off. Additionally, Excel High School can send out transcripts with any credits that you may have earned through us as well. And what is the price of the programs? For the most up-to-date information, I would refer you to the specific programs page for that program, and let me show you where you can find that. From the main Excel High School page at excelhighschool.com, you'll be able to see the entire list of programs if you click on it, Enroll Now. This page could look slightly different depending on when you're seeing the video, but we want to just make sure that you do see the Honors High School Diploma program and the relevant information, as well as the Honors plus AP program. This is where I would refer to for each of the latest pricing information available, as well as more details available here. And lastly, am I able to work on classes at any time? Yes, all of the classes here are available 24/7, so there is not a specific time that you need to be logged in to be able to work on your classes. Whenever it fits into your individual schedule, you're welcome to work on your classes. Now let's cover a little bit more in-depth questions that we'll often get. And these are questions like, how long are my classes actually going to take? And how long should I be working each day to finish them? Are the classes held entirely online, or are there in-person portions? And am I able to see my students' progress as a parent? As well as, are instructors available to ask questions to? So let's cover each of these as well. So for the Honors program, it's broken up semesterly. So you'll have 5 months to complete one semester, and then 5 months for the second semester. For students joining us midway through the year, you're welcome to take just the second semester, since that Honors program is broken up semesterly. The Honors and AP program is administered over an entire academic year. So your Honors and AP courses you'll have 10 months to complete. Since the AP exam is administered in May, this makes July, August, and September the ideal months to enroll. For the Honors program, we recommend about 45 to 60 minutes per class each day. So if you have 6 classes, you'll want to do 45 to 60 minutes in each of those 6 classes. For any AP courses you're taking, expect to take around an hour or more each day in those classes, as they are a bit more rigorous. And are the classes entirely online? In the honors class, yes, everything is going to be 100% online. The textbook, the classes, the quizzes, tests, everything is going to be administered all online. For our AP classes, these are going to be mostly online. There are a couple components that won't be done online, which is that you will have a physical textbook in addition to those classes, and the AP exam itself is administered in person around early May. To find a testing center for yourself and where you will take that, I would encourage you to visit the College Board's website at collegeboard.org and find a testing center that would be near to you. So when the time comes to take the AP exam, you know where that is and how to register to take that. Continuing on, am I able to see my students' progress? Yes. Both programs will offer weekly progress reports that are automatically sent out. And additionally, there's a parent portal where you can access more detailed information. And lastly, are there instructors available to ask questions to? Yes, there are instructors assigned to each class, and they are available via email or other messaging that you can reach out and ask questions to. And that is all for Excel High School's Honors and Honors with AP programs. If you have more specific questions that weren't answered in this video, feel free to check out the information on the programs page for each of those programs, or just give us a call or a chat, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for checking us out here in Excel, and we look forward to working with you.